Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create your Spotify account. Spotify is a music app. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and type in Spotify. So all you have to do is to download the app, just for you to download the app. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So after you are done downloading the app, so you have to do sign up for free. So you are going to type in your email address. They are going to type in your email address. After doing that, you have to press next. So you have to create a password, the password for your email. So you're going to type it there. You're going to choose your these dates. What is your date of birth? So you're just going to put your date of birth there, and you move over to the next one. And the next one is, what is your gender? So it's saying female or male, so you have to choose anyone you feel like choosing. And it's asking, what is your name? So you have to choose your name for the account. So I'm going to put my name. Inside, they are doing terms of use, privacy policy. So you have to choose the first one if you want to, and the next one is about notification. If you want to turn off your Spotify notification, they say choose 3 or more artists you like. So you are going to choose your favorite artist. So over here I choose Davido, which is my favorite artist, and they have some other artists here. There is no music you are looking for that is not in Spotify. So they have different artists here, and I choose Burna Boy, Fireboy, and many others. If you don't want to choose, you are free not to choose, so you just have to skip it, and I'm done with it. So they said great pick, and it's loading. So you just have to press start listening if you want to start listening to music, and let's press it. So your Spotify account has been created. So you can listen to any music of your choice, any music you love, you like, any of your artists, your favorite artists. So in my next video I'm going to show you guys how to subscribe to Spotify Premium. Spotify Premium is the best. There is no ad. You can download music and you can see the most trending music on Spotify. So guys, this is the end of this video. I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.